Good morning students, welcome to Narayana live classes. Today we are going to discuss about 8th class physics kinematics topic assignment number 44. So let us see the questions students. First one, the equation of trajectory of a projectile is y is equal to 10x minus 5 by 9 into x square if we assume g is equal to 10 meter per second square, then the range of the projectile is, so we are going to find out range of the projectile. So students, we are having one equation, the trajectory of the projectile as y is equal to x tan theta into 1 minus x by r. So this is an equation in terms of range. The trajectory of a projectile y is equal to x tan theta into 1 minus x by r. So now in the given equation I will take 10x common. So y is equal to, if we take 10x common, then this is equal to 1 minus 5 by 90 x. Now if you simplify this, 5 will cancel in 90 for 18 times. Then we are having y is equal to 10x of 1 minus 1 by 18x. Now if you compare, so this equation 1 and equation 2, from this you can say that r is equal to 18. So therefore the range of the projectile is 18 meters. According to this, third option is correct. So let's go to the second question. In projectile motion, if a body is projected with an angle theta, then the relation between range and maximum height. So we need to find the relation between the range and maximum height. So students, first let us see the range formula. As we know that r is equal to u square sin 2 theta by g. R is equal to u square sin 2 theta by g. Now similarly, if you take maximum height formula, h max is equal to u square sin square theta by 2g. Now if you divide r and h value, then we will get r divided by h is equal to 4 cot theta. So now r divided by h is equal to cot theta can be expressed as 1 by tan theta. So r by h is equal to 4 into 1 by tan theta. Students, if you do the cross multiplication and if you want to find out the tan theta value, then by this expression tan theta is equal to 4h by r. So according to this, tan theta is equal to 4h by r. First option is correct. So let's go with the third question. The horizontal range of a projectile is 4√3 times its maximum height. So in the question they have given that the horizontal range of a projectile capital R is equal to 4√3 times the maximum height, h max. So if we substitute the formulas related to the r, so r is equal to u square sin 2 theta by g is equal to 4√3 times of h max u square sin square theta by 2g. So students, if we simplify this, then we will get tan theta is equal to 1 by √3. Tan theta is equal to 1 by √3, and as we know that tan 30 is equal to 1 by √3, since tan 30 degrees is equal to 1 by √3, so therefore the theta value is 30 degrees. According to this, fourth option is correct. Thank you.